Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ula Plie ka Jaka banlum ya ka dut Umlyngka Primary Milk Producers Cooperative Society Limited ka badan Umlyngka Upper Shillong. Ya kini ka Jaka la bay tingka Lingbah ka Jingr lang joga Chief Minister's Special Development Fund and Special Rural Works Program. Habakran hagani ka program Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad Sangma ula Kyntu ki Nongri Jingr ban pinyar ka Jingr perkhat da ka baong bakadan ka yo ka bahe bha na ka benta ki marbam balapin mi na kadut uloong baki Nongri Jingr haka Jylla ki de ban bo ka thong tang ban pin biang ki yo haka shnong henre ban pin mi ru kat ban biang na ka benta ban yo ashalan shabar UMLA ka than ubalong ru Myntri ka cabinet iba Hamletson Dotling ibalay don bentalang hagate ka program lapentip bagani ka society kala dep ban pan ru ka Jingr pisa na ka sarkar ban yo ashnaya ka Jaka ay jing hikay.
Almost close to 2.5 lakh metric tons of milk is required. And more than 50% to almost 60% is not available. Which means there's a huge market within the state of Meghalaya itself. If you just calculate it at a rate of about 40 rupees, even 30 rupees, 30 rupees to 50 rupees if you were to calculate per litre, the amount comes up to hundreds of crores, in 700 crores, 800 crores of milk is required in our state every year. And if this mission were to go and move like the Amul mission went, then this money will go to all of you.